In this video, I'll show you how to enable location access in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. If a website is asking for your location and Edge is blocking it, this simple setting can fix the problem in just a few steps. Whether you need location access for maps, delivery services, weather sites, or local search results, this guide will help you turn it on the right way. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This will open the main Edge settings page where you can manage privacy, security, and website permissions. Next, in the left-hand menu, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps most of its privacy and site access controls. Now scroll down until you find the section called Site Permissions. Click on it to open all the permissions available for websites in Edge. Inside Site Permissions, look for the option that says All Permissions. Open that section, then find Location. This is the setting that controls whether websites are allowed to request and use your location data. Click on Location to open the Location Permission settings. Now, you'll see the main location access option. Turn on Ask Before Accessing. When this is enabled, websites will be able to request your location and Edge will ask you for permission before sharing it. This is the safest and most flexible option because you stay in control of which websites can use your location. If a specific website still isn't working, make sure it isn't blocked in the custom permissions list below. You may also want to check your Windows device location settings, since browser location access can depend on system permissions too. If your computer's location services are turned off, Edge may not be able to detect your location even if the browser setting is enabled. Once you've turned on Ask Before Accessing, go back to the website you were trying to use and refresh the page. The site should now be able to request your location again, and you can click Allow when prompted. That should restore location access in Microsoft Edge, and that's it. You've successfully enabled location access in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.